Today we're going to look at how you can inflate a tire that is not inflating. This was off of a snow blower, but the problem we have is when you go to put air in the tire, because it's lost its seal, it just keeps going out the other side. You can feel it. You can see there's no pressure. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this tie down and we're going to put some pressure on the outside of the tire that will cause it to form a seal around the tire. So you need to get your tie down, get it approximately about the same size as the tire, and then you'll just wrap it around. And you want to put it about right in the center of the tire. You may have to tighten it up a little bit so that it's a little bit snug, but then you just work it into the middle of the tire. And once you get it in that position, you can go ahead and continue to tighten it so that it's going to force this tire. I probably want to get it a little bit more in the center. So we're going to just continue to tighten this, and hopefully it'll form a seal around the tire. And again, we're just going to go ahead and tighten this up, just ratchet it up. And then we'll go ahead and see if we can get some pressure in the tire. There we go. We got it to seal a little bit. Once you get it to seal, then you can go ahead. You don't want to fill it all the way up. It looks like we're at, let's see what our air pressure is. Okay, it looks like we're about 20. And the PSI for this is about 30. So we're going to now release the, go ahead and release your tie down. That's why you don't want to put a lot of pressure in it. And then we'll just go ahead and continue filling up the pressure. We'll get it to 30 psi. Maybe just a little bit above that. We got it about 32. And there you have it. Again, it's an easy way, instead of running to the tire shop, it's an easy way that you can do it on your own. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.